Hey everybody, it's your girl Shay. Yep, that is still me. Today I have something very exciting to show you.
Hold on one second.
I have a Munchkin cat. Hello, excuse me. We're doing...
Get your butt out of my face.
Anyway, this is Benny. Say hi, Benny. Not with your butt. Come here. Say hi, Benny. Yeah, he's real cooperative, as most cats are. You just gonna hang up there? Sure, that's fine. Benny is a 3-year-old Munchkin cat, and he is adorable. I even got him a little leash that I put him on with a little harness. I also got him, / me, a sweatshirt in which he hides in the pouch of. He also doesn't love that yet, but that's okay. Hey, Ben. Oh, you're such a good boy. He's such a good boy, isn't he? I love him so much. He's such a good boy. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Oh, he's such a good boy. Oh my God. I love him so much. Well, Benny, welcome to the family, and welcome to your new home. He loves it. He enjoys running around at 3 a.m. wreaking havoc, so that's great. He also likes sitting in windowsills. Yeah, don't ya? He's been a little playful today, a little Munchkin playful cat. Yes, that's what you are. Yes, that's what you are. Really? Alright, I'll let you down. Here you go. You gotta let go of my shirt. Let go. You're stuck to my shirt. Okay. Alright. Please hold. What's happening? Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Come here. You're okay. Ah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright, so this is the tutorial part of the video. Let's get started. So cat scratches, when you think about it, are not super deep things unless they're like by a lion or something like that. My cat is not a lion. So this is what we gotta think about. When a cat scratches you, their paws are not, their paws, their claws, their little things, it's not going to be all in a straight line. So we have to make it look that way, accordingly. What you're going to want to do is sort of, kind of, ish, map out where you want to put the scratches. Let's get started. Okay. I'm going to think about which way he scratched me from, which way I want them to go up and down. Alright, I think I figured it out. So I'm going to take, it's a reddish, pinkish colored pencil. It's from Wet n Wild. I think it's for lips, but I'm going to lightly map out exactly where I want the scratches to go. If you don't like it, just rub it off, honestly.
Hold close enough.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my handy dandy Ben Nye makeup wheel, take a very small, itty bitty tiny little makeup brush. I'm going to dip it in a little red here. I'm going to go back over the lines. Look at that, there we go. So here are my lines, right? But the problem is when you get scratched, it usually gets red around the area too. So I'm going to take my handy little blending tool and I'm going to blend it out a bit.
Great.
So I kind of figured out where I want my scratches to go. Now I have to make the area look a little bit irritated. Yeah, got what I'm saying?
I don't know how to hold things.
I'm going to take this very simple palette that I got from like Ross or something. I don't even know where it's from. I'm going to take the super dark shade right here, put a very little itty bit amount on my brush, and I'm going to lightly blend out where I know the scratches are going to go. Oh, that's dark. Okay. Oh, that's great. That's great. Alright. Blending brush. Very little swipage involved. And I'm going to add just a tiny bit more on the bottom because I feel like the top's good, but this part of your skin, the lower part of your skin, is going to be more sensitive. So if you got scratched there, which hopefully you won't, that's where it would be more red. Lovely. Okay, now I'm going to go back over the scratch areas with the Ben Nye red color. Now I've done a little mistake. Just a tiny one. It's fixable. All of these, as you can see, sort of end at the same point. But like at the top, we want them to start and end at different places. So we'll go back in with the red. Make the little one longer. Okay. Now, nothing is going to be perfect, right? You know what I always say, to make things look better, just add a bit of blood. Oh, that's probably too much.
No such thing as too much blood.
If you've ever been scratched by a cat before, you'll realize that the blood kind of
Coagulates?
That's such a fun word to say.
it likes to ball up, right? It's not bloody the whole entire way, and I think that's where most mistakes happen when doing tiny little cat scratches. And there we go. It's super simple, super easy. Literally, you could do this with just blood. Honestly, like, it did perfect. Well, there you guys go. There was a super simple look. I hope to be making more videos soon, especially for Halloweeny time.
'Cause I love me some Halloween.
Yeah.
Also, another lesson, don't pick your cat up and put them right next to your face if they don't want to be there. Yeah. I know. Well, you did so good. You're such a good participant. Yeah. Sorry, I got a little blood on your ear. Benny says, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more. Okay, and lick my fingers. That's cool. Who's a good boy? He's a very calm boy. He would never scratch my face. Plus, the little paws are just too short. I'm not making fun of you. No, I swear. You guys want to see something weird? My cat likes to lick cans. Yeah, get that can. I could do this all day. He's like, no, I'm done. I'm good. Ugh. Thanks for watching. Bye. Yeah? Yeah? Let's not go that way. Yeah, come on. Want to go back? We can go back.